Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dorgard Fireco SmartSound door holder, fire door holder, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now, you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the door holder is not working, or it's malfunctioning, or it's making beeps and it won't stop beeping, or if it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi, or if it's not syncing with your device, not pairing, etc., a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to just wipe everything off to the factory default settings so that you can have it like you just took it out of the box and set it up in a new situation. We can go ahead and do that. It's real easy. You're just going to need a real small screwdriver to remove the screws on the top part here. And once you do that, you can just take the batteries out of it. Now, once you take the batteries out of it, you're going to come around and you're going to find this little hole here. This is the reset hole. So then you're going to push and hold the reset button, and while you're pushing and holding the reset button, you're going to reinsert the batteries in the top and just hold the lid down. And as you do that, it will start up again, and you'll hear it make 3 beeps, and that indicates that it has been reset to the factory default settings. You can go ahead, close the top, and reset it up like a new device.